Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at our range of tea tasting collections and how you can use them to explore the world of premium tea. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. Here at Red Blossom, we offer a range of thoughtfully curated tasting collections, which are essentially guided tea tastings in a box. We have several options available, and each collection focuses on a specific theme. Some of our collections simply include a range of teas, while others include both tea and teaware. While these tasting collections make fantastic gifts for any tea drinker, they're also a great way to discover tea for yourself. If you're just getting into loose leaf tea, we recommend starting with either our Tea Starter Kit or Tea Travel Kit. Both of these collections include a range of 3 premium tea samples plus teaware, so you have everything you need to start brewing and enjoying whole leaf teas. When you're ready to dive deeper and explore the full range of traditional tea styles, we recommend our Discovery Collection or our Essential Collection. Our Discovery Collection includes a range of 4 styles from light to dark, such as green tea, oolong, and black. Our Essential Collection includes 1 sample from every category of pure tea, plus a compact tea brewing set to help you get the best infusions. Once you've found styles you like, you can keep exploring with our category-specific tasting collections. For example, if you enjoy oolong teas in these boxes, our Oolong Collection offers a deeper exploration of this category, with 4 unique oolong teas to try. For the ultimate tasting experience, there's nothing better than our Pinnacle Collection, which includes a full set of fine porcelain teaware, plus samples of our rarest red label teas from each category. Every tasting collection in our range also includes an online unboxing page, complete with guided YouTube video to watch as you brew. To learn more about our range of tasting collections, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.